Today, we ended up closing out $52,000 in profits, and a big portion of that was LLY. Now, we ended up closing out 11% profit on our shares, and this was only within the past 12 days. So you can see here that we ended up grabbing 170 shares at 9:31 a.m. on the 12th of August for $639, closing it today, not even 12 days later, for an 11 to basically 12% profit. Now, my goal in this video is to share with you why we entered the position, why I exited the trade today, but why I think that there's still a good chance that if we're patient over the next couple of months, that we could see this back at $960. Now, for those of you who follow our trading system and use our indicators, you already know why we entered this position, and that is because of the smart money zone right here. Now, if you want to get access to all the indicators that we use, as well as our step-by-step trading system, it's all free down in the description. The course library is down there. There's 12 steps to our trading system. They're all free, and you can get access to all of the indicators like the BX Trender, Smart Money Mastery, Volume Profile, all for free down in the description. Now, the smart money zone is normally going to be like our money indication. When price pulls back into this smart money zone, there's a very, very high chance that price is going to bounce. And more importantly, the risk versus reward at the smart money zone is massive. A great example of some trades that have bounced off of smart money zone that we made money on recently is Rocket. You can see bounced right off of that range. AMD, Reddit, Robinhood, Roblox. These are all trades that have bounced off of smart money zone and gone for an absolute tear. Now, looking at this setup, we know that, like we said, it's probably going to continue another 30-40% to the upside over the next couple of months. But the main reason that I ended up closing this today is just because of how violent this bounce was off of this smart money zone. It is going to be very rare that the stock just rockets all the way up to all-time highs. In most cases, what will happen is price is going to break out, price will pull back down, break out again, and will slowly move in this type of manner. You'll even notice here that when the stock is selling off, it's going to move in that type of structure. Price will sell off, price will bounce, price will sell off, price will bounce, price will sell off, so on and so forth. And so we could hold through the entirety of this, but in my opinion, if we can get a solid profit within such a short period of time, I'm okay with walking away. Now, I do think best case scenario, short term, this will probably run another 5.5% to fill this gap. But for those of you who use our volume profile indicator, you know that this red line, this point of control, this shows the highest amount of trading volume within the past 150 days, or if we're looking at the weekly chart, within the past 150 weeks. And you will know that this is a major resistance. So taking a look at this, I think there's a very good chance that price, best case, continues to run up to $775, rejects one more time, makes a higher low, and then we sweep for the breakout. And so, yes, I could be playing with fire here, trying to time this, but I'm okay with taking the 10% profit. And if it just continues to run, I'll move on to another position. I have currently 52 stocks that are meeting my smart money zone criteria. So if I don't get back into this trade, it's not the end of the world. But if price does pull back and I can get back in between $640 to $660, then we will be in a very, very good position to play that extended breakout to the upside.